Hey guys, welcome back. It's Radar again on another build episode. How's everybody doing today? I'm glad that y'all were able to come by and see what I've been up to. As you can see here, I've been doing a lot more work on the Victoria. Got the walls up inside. Well, not all of them, but it's getting there. So, the ticket booths on each side of the doors here. Yeah, so we got this one, and I thought I had another, or is this just, yeah, it's just the one ticket booth, right? And then they can split off going here and here. I nearly forgot what I was planning. No lights or floors yet. Because this is like one of my biggest projects, and it's taking me a long time. I've had to do a lot of stuff off camera because, well, it gets a little monotonous. So we'll just we got a couple doors here and a couple of doors here. So this will be the main theater. What I need to do is put up a screen. It's going to be a big screen. Big screen. Yeah, no doubt. So why don't we try, let's see. Why don't we have a look-see? Look at clay. Let's try the black. I don't need all this right now. Just get rid of all this crud. Like that. So what I want to do here is I want to give people access to the back here too for stage crew and whatnot, because honestly there is this was an old theater. It used to put on stage productions, so it's a combination theater. Combination movie theater and stage production. So first of all, I want to put in like a stage. I think we'll work on the stage first. So let's do the old boards here. Tripping the boards, walking the boards. I want spruce. Why don't we try... Let's go with the dark oak here. Let's see if we can get something going on here. I don't think the stage or this needs to be too awfully big, but it needs to be big enough, I also got to figure out how I'm going to put these doors, because there will be access here. So you would have to come in this way. I think dark oak. Stairs for this. So you would just come up and door. I want to see how this will look. So dark oak door. Can I do this here? I want to see how this would look. So you would, yeah, I think that would work. Just put a sign on this door. Make sure people don't, walk in here by accident. Yeah. So how many? Just one from the wall. So let's make sure we get this right. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Whew. All right. There we go. Come on. Oh, laggy. Little laggy. I think this will probably be big enough for the stage. Because I also want to put like access for like the stage access or theater access too. You know, stairs leading up. I want to give this an older look, so that's why I'm going with this type of wood. It's been worn. It's a little darker. You know. Aesthetics. Aesthetics. I am getting a lot of lag today. We'll muddle through. We'll muddle through because I want to get this done. A lot of wood. Oopsie. I don't know why I'm doing it the hard way when I could just go here and do this. Yep, close that door. Yeah, it sticks out a little bit, but it's not going to matter once I get the get some details thrown in here. Wow. Stop tripping me up, guys. Please. Thank you. Nice. Yeah, so I figured I'd bring you on board today. I know I've not been doing a lot of stuff lately. Personal stuff kind of got in the way. Won't go into too much detail. It's just I've not been in the best condition to record a video. So yeah, but we're back, and we're gonna have some fun and get this done, and then work on other projects. Oops. I still want to build my shopping center. So that's a thing. Yeah, so we got this all settled. Oh, I need stairs from the sides here, so we would need here and here. And then on this side, yeah, and here. Excellent. Kind of want to do an orchestra pit, but I don't think I'm going to have the room to do it. I kind of want to, though. You know, I mean, if we were, I want to see. I think it goes down 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I probably could get away with the orchestra pit, but what do y'all think? You think I have enough room for one down here? I probably do. Because you know, access for, I would have to make access to the stage for it, but we'll think about it. So let's. So we got stage access here. Well, let's see. See how tall this screen is going to be. Pretty tall. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Right there. Come on. Thank you. So, yeah, let's see how it would look from the actual theater. Yeah, that's about as high as the wall is. So it's 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is where the screen would be, and there's going to be another wall here, so we don't have to worry too much about that. So why don't we get the screen in and see what we got to work with? Yeah. Let's do. Okay, you can stay there. I don't care. I really don't. So, boom. Ooh, that could get a little really. Oh man. All right. I had to do a restart on my computer, man, because it's really lagging out. I don't have a lot. There's nothing on my screen. Like, shouldn't be this laggy. Or like mobs and stuff. Usually that would cause it, but I'm actually thinking about digging out that orchestra pit too. I mean, if I go that route, I would just need access. I would some kind of access for that. And kids, I love this theater, but it's getting to the point where maybe I want to do other things because I still got to decorate this sucker. Ooh, okay. It hurt me. I hit that E key a little too hard. Okay. Having way too much fun. Come on. Almost got it. Almost got it. Oops. All right. So we got the screen up. Dang. Yeah. Ah! That sucker's huge. Huge. So thinking on what I need. I would need curtains, but let's see. Well, we got the red. We got a lot of red already. How about, let's see, yellow? Yellow. So I also got these pillars. I wonder if I could do something with those. Honestly, pillar. Got these quartz and white clay pillars. Yeah, it's kind of tricky to figure out here. Why don't we go with the quartz like we do outside? The quartz block. Yeah, let's try the quartz block. the chiseled, and we'll try one of these quartz wedges. Let's see if I can work something out. Okay, so I want them. I want the pillars pretty tall. So this would be the top, yes. So that would be the tallest pillar. Just a couple on each side, you know. And then we'll put like a drape or something here. So let's... Hey now, you're an all-star. Where'd that come from? Alright, so we'll do this. Just out of curiosity, how do these things... You know what I would like is if I actually saw what it looked like. Let's see. Oh, that is kind of sweet. I like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think I could work with that. All right. So let's repeat and repeat what we did over on that side. So it would be there, and then up's the doodle. And then we'll put one of these on top. Set about the right size. Yeah, totally. Okay. This is trying out different styles. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I like those slopes. That really gives it some character. Oh, definitely. Now I should put something across. I gotta figure out what that thing is. I don't know if I want to... I mean, because I don't want to block the screen. I mean, I could go one further up. Just because I want to section this off a little bit. So maybe we'll bring this up like that. And then bring that up. Same on this side. Oh, yeah. Not like that, radar. Not like that. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then we'll just do regular, I think white, just regular plain quartz. And wool quartz. So I'll just... Is that quartz? Looks awfully... That does not look like quartz. Because it's not! Quartz. It's like, it's awfully pale. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. We'll see what I'm doing here in a second. Any luck? Yeah, I like these slopes. What are they called? Wedges. Let's see, which mod is that from? I think it's from the HBTF mod. Possibly. It's one of the mods I installed. I don't remember. I just don't. Memory like a sieve. I'm sorry. Bobby, tell me what mod this is. Because I'm too lazy to look it up myself. Well, I just can't right now. You tell me what mod this is. Because you're pretty good at that. So, that. And that. We will see what we got. Oh, that is That is beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, I'm digging it. I really am. So what I want to do now is do some sort of curtain effect for these arches here. Something so I can close this off so people can't just, when you would still be able to walk up on stage, I want some white. Well, we got curtains. I know these curtains are tiny too. Yeah, this would not be. This would not be big enough. Yeah, and it would blend. Yeah, this would not work. They're tiny. Okay. Got a lot of red going on already. Wait, do we have red? Do we have wool slopes? Just out of curiosity. No radar. Wedge. It would be nice if there was a wool wedge, because then I could just, do it with the curtains. I mean, we could try it with the clay. I mean, so I just want a curtain. That's kind of what I want. Oh, I see. You're. So you won't place here, because I was gonna. Okay. So much for that plan. Okay. Well, maybe I can get away with something else. Of course, then I wouldn't need this wedge either. So the wedge goes bye-bye. Okay, wool. Why don't we do and yellow? Don't really need these either. This is all going to be framed, so yeah. Once it's done. So, really big curtains on each side. Doing it. Doing a thing. Yeah, because this will be trying to figure this out in my mind. Not an easy task. Okay. They look kind of small, but the way I see it is they're folded in. They'll be folded in. So, okay, so I got yellow and gold. So we'll bring the yellow up, taller. Thank you. Oh, wow. We're already hitting our 25-minute mark. That's... Well, this is what happens. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, that is beautiful. So let's get rid of that. And hit that. Is that the right one? No. I always hit the wrong one because I can never forget it. It's F2. There we go. Oh, I hope I didn't. I hope okay, one more just to be safe. I don't need the coordinates on all the details on my screen there. I really like how that looks. And then we'll bring in, I think what we'll do, we'll continue it on. Maybe, come on, curtains. I'm calling them curtains now. Not really. Not really curtains. I don't know about that, because they would come all the way across. So yeah, I think I'll build something to make it look like there's like a system that pulls these back. So I think that would make sense. Yeah. A pulley system of some sort, but I'll do that off camera. They're not gonna move. I mean, I'm not that good, but there needs to be some sort of system that would like pull these. Wait a minute. Let's. Yeah, there goes my brain again. See if there's anything in here that I might be able to use. No. Kind of hoping there was, but apparently not. Wooden blinds. The slats. Slats. Anything in here? What's this? A tap. Yeah, tap's gonna help. Chopped log. What's this for? Oh, look. Check it out. So these would... Oh, dude. Yeah. So can I actually... Oh, no. Oh, I see. I see. This is part of the fireplace, or the fireplace mod thing. Yeah. Maybe if I bring them up a little higher. Can I put them... I would like to... This is kind of what I want. Just like a pulley, you know, it would bring these out. Yeah. It's kind of the idea anyway. But like I said, I'll do that off camera. It's not a big deal. Yeah. I'm really happy with how this looks so far. Really happy. But I think we've reached the end of it. So, whoops, which one is it? So, no, that's another screenshot radar. There we go. Hey. Oh, inside. Yeah, this looks really, really sweet, man. I'm digging it. Anyway, guys, I think that's going to be it for now. If you enjoyed the episode, be sure to leave a comment and a like down below. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, guys, this has been Radar. I'll be seeing you.